Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 general maths class. So children, what we are doing, we are discussing the chapter HCF and LCM, is it? And in the previous class what we discussed? We discussed LCM by the method of divisor method, is it now? So LCM, what is LCM? LCM is a smallest number that is divisible by given numbers exactly, is it now? What is LCM? A least common multiple. LCM, least common multiple. It is a smallest number that is divisible by the given numbers exactly. So there are the three methods to find out LCM. What are that? Common multiple method, prime factorization method and division method. All the three methods one by one we discussed already. So today we are going to do some sums on LCM. Okay, so let's start today's class. So question number 1, can see children, first question is find LCM of 84, 112 and 196 by division method. So one more thing I want to say children, suppose in the exam method is not mentioned, prime factorization method or division method, then you can use any method which you like. Okay, in the question maybe sometimes method is mentioned, sometimes method is not mentioned. So if any method is not mentioned, you can use any method what you like, what is easy for you. But if the method is mentioned, suppose in this question what is given? By division method. So if the method is mentioned, you have to use that particular method, otherwise there will be a cutoff. Okay, so this question, find LCM by division method 84, 112 and 196. So in the division method how we are doing, we have to write first numbers like this 84, 112 and 196 separated by commas. Then we have to give like this horizontal line and like this vertical line. And then after we have to choose a number, we have to choose a prime factor which divides minimum two numbers. Okay, minimum two numbers. It can divide all the numbers also, or minimum two numbers or one number. Like that, a prime factor number you have to choose. So I have taken 2. So 242 ja 84, 256 ja 112 and 298 ja 196. Once again, if 2 can't divide any one of the number also, then that number as it is we have to take down. Okay, suppose a prime factor you have chosen, that prime factor can't divide any one of the number, then that particular number you have to take down as it is. So here once again 221 ja 42, 228 ja 56, 249 ja 98. Now here you can see we can take 7 because 7 divides almost all the numbers. So 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 7 ja 49. So now at last you can see children, please observe this. What are the numbers? 3, 4 and 7. All these numbers are not having any factor common, any common factor other than 1. So you have to keep at last a 3, 4, 7 means like these numbers which are not having any common factor except 1. Like that numbers only you can keep down. Okay, so 3, 4, 7 no common factor. Now when we find LCM, okay, so 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 7. This one we can arrange in order 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 7 into 7. So when we multiply the, what is the product? 2352. This is the LCM of 84, 112 and 196. So 2352 is a least common multiple, means it is a number, a smallest number that is divisible by all these three numbers exactly. Clear children? This is what? Division method. Please note down this. Second question. Second question is, find the smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. You have to find a smallest number when added to 5, means in that smallest number if you will add 5, then what is the result you will get? That result is divisible by 12, 14 and 18. It means a number, when you will add 5 to that number, it becomes LCM of 12, 14 and 18. Then it becomes LCM. Okay. So first we find the LCM of 12, 14 and 18. Okay. So same method, 12, 14 and 18, write and separate by commas. Give the horizontal line and vertical line. Now choose a prime factor which at least divides two of the numbers. You can take any prime factor which divide one number also, then also no problem. But your method becomes, your answer becomes too long. That's why you must try to choose such a prime factor which divides almost all the numbers or at least two numbers. Okay, so here I have taken 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 9 are 18. Now here you can see 6 and 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, but 7 is not divisible by 3. So 7 as it is you have to take down. Clear? If any number is not divisible by this prime factor, then that number as it is you have to take down. Now at last you have to keep which type of number? See, 2 7 3. This 2 7 3, there is no common factor except 1. Like that numbers only you can keep down. Now LCM of 12, 14 and 18 is equal to what? You have to go like this. Okay, 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. So that one you can write in order, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So that is 252. So 252 is LCM of 12, 14 and 18, means 252 is divisible by 12, 14 and 18 exactly. But what is your question? Your question is, you have to find such a smallest number which when added to 5, then it becomes this much LCM. So the required least number is equal to 252, that is LCM minus 5. Here 5 is there. So LCM minus 5, 252 minus 5, that is 247. So 247 is a smallest number when you will add to 5, then it becomes a number which is divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So 247 is the smallest number. When you will add 5, then it becomes the LCM of 12, 14 and 18. Clear, children? Next, question number 3. Before going to question number 3, please note down, write the question and solution. Once again I want to tell you, when you are seeing the video, when you are writing the notes, you have to pause the video and write down neatly. After writing only you again continue the video. You must maintain your notes neatly. Okay, so next we will go for the third question. What is the third question? So question say, two bells ring together. There are two bells which ring together. If the bells ring at every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively, at what interval of time will they ring together again? Okay, so there are two bells. One bell ring at every 3 minutes and another bell ring at every 4 minutes. Two bells are there. First bell rings at every 3 minutes, second bell rings at every 4 minutes. You have to find at what interval of time they will ring together again. Okay. So, see children, first bell rings at every 3 minutes. So, first third minute, then 6th minute, then 9th minute, then 12th minute, then 15th minute, then 18th minute, like this. So first bell rings at every 3 minutes. So third minute, 6th minute, 9th minute means what? The multiples of 3. Okay. Whereas second bell rings at every 4 minutes. So multiples of 4. First time rings at 4th minute, then 8th minute, then 12th minute, then 16th minute, then 20th minute, then 24th minute, like that. Multiples of 4. So you can see children here, common is what? Common is 12. Is it? What is the common? 12. Not only 12 is common, there will be common in the next time also. But we have to take first time what is the common multiple. Okay, so first bell rings, first bell and second bell both rings at 12th minute. Is it? 12 is common. So first bell rings at 12th minute, second bell also rings at 12th minute. At this time both rings together. Clear? So this is the first time they rings together. So both the bells ring together at 12th minute. You also can think 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. So understood? Two bells. First bell rings at every 3rd minute. So multiples of 3. Second bell rings at every 4th minute. So multiples of 4. Now what is a common multiple? 12. The first common multiple is 12. It means both the bells ring together at 12th minute. Clear children? Please note down this. Okay, now we will go for the fourth question. So you can see the fourth question. What is fourth question? Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60 leaves. Two cases are there. First is no remainder. Second is remainder 4 in each case. You have to find a greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60, then first case leaves no remainder. So first we will find what? We will find the LCM of 75, 45 and 60. Why we find LCM? Because LCM is a number which is divisible by given numbers exactly. Is it? Now what is given? Greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60. So LCM is a number which is divisible by the given numbers. Is it? So first we find LCM of 75, 45 and 60. So as usual our division method, write the numbers separated by commas, draw the horizontal line and vertical line. Now choose a prime factor, such a prime factor which divides almost all the numbers or minimum 2 or 1 number. Is it? No. So here I can take 5. So 5 divides all the 3 numbers. 5 15 just 75, 5 9 just 45 and 5 12 just 60. Now you can take 3 divides almost all numbers. 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. Now at last you can see what are the numbers left. 5, 3 and 4. 5, 3 and 4 are such numbers which don't have any common factor other than 1. So at last down you have to leave either ones, okay, or you leave such a numbers which don't have any common factor other than 1. Okay, so now we will find the LCM. LCM is what? Like this will come 5 into 3, then 5 into 3 into 4. This one we will arrange in order: 3 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 5. Okay, so when we multiply also, children, we must see the possible cases such a way so that easily you can multiply. Now you can see 5 5 ja 25, 4 ja 100 and 3 3 ja 9. So 100 into 9, 900. Okay, now very simple, multiplied. Now first case is what? What is given? Leaves no remainder. So first case is, your answer is direct your LCM. Your LCM only your answer, because LCM is a number which is divisible by given numbers exactly. Exactly means leaves no remainder. Clear? So first case your answer is your LCM, that is 900. Now second case, what is given? Remainder leaves. How much remainder leaves? 4. In each case you have to find such a greatest number which is divisible by 75, 45 and 60 and leaves 4 remainder in each case. So that time what you will do? You have to add LCM plus 4. Okay, 900 is a LCM plus 4, that is 904. So 904 is such a number when divided by 75, 45 or 60, then it leaves remainder 4. You also can check it. Okay, you divide. When you divide, you will find out this one is true or not. Example, suppose say 45 into 20. How much? 900. Now what is this? 904 means plus 4. So 45 divides 900 exactly. But if 904 is divided by 45, it will give the remainder 4. Is it or not? It means the greatest 3-digit number which is divided by 75, 45 and 60 leaves 4 as remainder is 904. Clear, children? So these are the questions, okay, based on LCM we discussed in today's class. I hope you understood the class well. You are doing well, doing the worksheets and reading the reading content. Clear? Please write down this. Once again, you must pause the video and write down. After writing only, you again continue the video. Maintain your notes neatly. Okay, children? So your work is, today's work is, what questions we discussed in the class. Total 4 questions we discussed in the class. These 4 questions only once again you have to practice in your notes. Clear? Once again you have to watch the video till end minimum 2 to 3 times. Then only you can understand the class. And you have to practice first same sums and afterwards other sums from your textbook. Next class we will discuss the relationship between LCM and HCF. This is for today. Thanks for watching.